Stacking upward sequence is a type of sequence in which same grain size rock overlies same grain size rock. It is clear from this diagram. In this case, sandstone overlies sandstone, sandstone, shale, shale, and limestone, limestone, and so on. Stacking upward sequence formed during a gradation. A gradation always occurs after maximum fall or maximum rise. Stacking upward sequence is present in shelf margin system track. It is obvious from this diagram. Sandstone, 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 then shale, shale. Here it is clear. It is also found in falling stage system track. The terminology used in this lecture such as shelf margin system track, falling stage system track, a gradation were already explained in previous lectures and is present in Jew community channel.